All right. So welcome everyone to this live session here with your host, Dre Day Effect. So as we do every weekdays, we look at the Forex and the indices market. So US 30, S&P 500, and Nasdaq, and Euro USD, GBP and Euro GBP. So let's get on to it. So I'll share my screen. Hope everyone had a great morning, especially London. So we did had a London session this morning. So it was pretty good. And I also want to make sure that everything is shared here. Perfect. So we'll do a rundown of the market so far. And see how everything goes. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. As always, you can look at the previous videos that I did here on my channel, and it will tell you exactly how the actual indicator works. This is my own customized indicator here that I created based off of 10 years of knowledge. So pretty simple for everyone to use. And that's basically the way that I actually trade. So let's get on to it here. So we're going to start with US 30. So US 30 here, we're looking for bearishness here still off of the 4-hour higher time frame switches. So what is a switch? That means that the market is going bearish. So SR is switching red, and SG is switching green. So as you can see right now, we had a lot of SRs since way back here. And like I said, this is off of the 4-hour, and we're looking at the 15-minute chart. So if we go, let's say, on the 1-hour, it will be clearer for you guys. You're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. So basically, since Wednesday last week, we were looking for bearishness here for the US 30, and we did had a sell set up here that was Tuesday, that went to 1 to almost 4 off of the 1-hour. So if you love trading the 1-hour, you're gonna have some good setups here that will be that was giving you. And yeah, that's pretty much it here. Based off of multiple things. So there's my special entry mechanism that is called the well, that is already integrated here in the indicator. And on top of that, you have moving average, and you have a trend indicator. It is called the Renko. So I coded my customized Renko that'll give you exactly the pinpoint time that the market is moving in the upside or the downside, and that way you know exactly where you need to trade the currency or indices that you're trading on. So same thing here for Nasdaq. We're looking for sell here since, as you can see here, since yesterday morning at midnight. So we did have some sell momentum here overall. And if we go on the 50-minute chart, this is what we had here. So switching red here since 12:30, and only looking for sells here overall. And now it's still going down here. Okay. Perfect. Then you have S&P 500, same thing. So S&P 500 going bearish here since no, it's still bullish here. Sorry about that. So it's still bullish here overall. So if we go on the 1 hour, and you can see that it didn't switch red since way back. So it switched green here since the 22nd of February. So since then, we were looking for bullishness here on S&P 500 overall. So that's perfect. And we're going to look at the Euro USD. So Euro USD still looking bullish here since the 11th, since the 4th, sorry, April, since March 4th. So we're bullish, and I think it's starting to go bearish here. So actually, this will give you an indication that it's going to go down, and if that's the case, that will be a good time to look for sales here overall. Next, you have GU. So GU. So we're looking for sales here since London. So still looking for sales. I'm just going to look at the time here. That. All right. So still looking for sales here. So for now, we're going to be looking for shorts. And finally, we have Euro GBP. So Euro GBP here is just got a switch green. So SG, basically 30 minutes ago. So expecting to go bullish here for Euro GBP. So that means that the euro is stronger than the British pound for now. All right. So that's perfect. All right. So make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to have access to the indicator, make sure to go on my YouTube channel and fill out the form. Only a select few will have access to it. And like I said, always, it's not going to be cheap because this is my own thing. So it's not reselling or anything like that. It's coded by my own coder, and basically the way that I actually trade. So fortunately, I have a eye condition that is not allowing me to trade the way that I used to. So that's why I created this. So it will give me some ease in trading. So that way I don't have to be on the charts within sessions for a long period of time. And I just have to wait for my alerts, and I take my positions here based off the instrument that I'm trading. If it's indices or Forex or metals or commodities, I'm able to take trades, and no need to analyze anything else except the commitment of traders, COT. So if you don't know what COT is, so it basically gives you exactly the actual positions here of the commercials and non-commercials in the world, and basically at Trade Effects Management, we trade with the institutions, so you know exactly which direction it's going. And on top of adding the indicator that you're seeing right now, give you an extra edge here in the market here to take a decision and where you want to go. All right. So that's pretty much here for the runaround here. So we're just gonna wait for setups here overall. And if you're in the Discord, I will be on the live Discord here, New York session, basically for the next maybe hour or so. And if you have any questions here on YouTube, you can always put them in the chat, and I will answer them on this live. So we have audience. No, so that's the automation. So we do have the automation here that is being tested here at the same time. So I'm testing a few pairs here based off of COT analysis that we did over the weekend, and see how it goes. For now, it's been a little drawdown here since Monday, but that's okay. Last week we did 2.3% off of the automation, so that was pretty good. But if you're doing more than 1% a month, you're considered as a good trader. So we're already surpassing that, so that's pretty good. All right, so we just received signal here for US 30. So it says switch red. So let's look at it. Explain exactly what you're seeing here. And the signal is off of the 15-minute chart. So I'm just going to go down to the 15. There we go. So as you can see, you have a SR. Yep. All right. So basically, you have different type of options to trade. So you could trade off of the SR, the SGs, or you could trade the could trade the buy and sell setups here. 9:45. I'm gonna look at the same time if we had some news. I know we had some news here at 8:30, I think. Yeah, 8:30. We had the core CPI and CPI month to month. So let's look at it currently. So core CPI month to month here. We're expecting the forecast was 0.3%, where we're at 0.4%. So that's good. And CPI month to month, we're expecting 0.4%. We did have 4 points percent. So neutral and good, that's perfect. So good for the economy. So that means that basically no actual changes here in the way that the market is moving. All right, perfect. So let's look at just gonna look at some metals here. We're gonna look at gold and see how everything goes. Always use the window fee for gold. So XAU. Oh, XAU. So gold. Uh, Yeah. All right, so let's go back on gold. I'm gonna go on the 1 hour. I'm just gonna switch it up and put that at 1 hour. Boom. So always better to, if you're trading off of the 15, better off to put it on the 1 hour. As you can see, give you some good setups here. So especially if you're intraday or you're trading, if you're a scalper or anything like that, make sure to put the higher time frame. Better to put it on on the 1 hour. But if you're a swing trader, make sure to put it on the 4 hour. So that way, it's gonna give you some bigger moves overall. But yeah, so that's pretty much the way it's supposed to go. So gold, like you said this morning, we had a switch. We have a switch red here since 2 in the morning. 2 in the morning. So give you a sell off. And then we had a few cells set up. All right. So if we go back on here, switch it up at 1 hour. All right, perfect. So no signal so far. So basically, it's really the setups that we had here overnight. Basically at London. I'm just gonna remove the Renko with this one because you have the option to Renko or not. So that will give you some good indication of where the market is going. But like I said here, since we're trading intraday, make sure to change it to the 4 hour one right here, to the 1 hour. Sorry. Boom. Give you some better setup. right. So I will close it out here. So thank you so much, guys, to being on my live. Like I said, if you want to have access to the indicator, make sure to send me an email, basically to fill out the form on my YouTube channel. So that is Trady FX. So my YouTube channel, and you should have a link, a Google form link, and you have to fill out the form, and then we will contact you when we get back to you because we have a lot of requests regarding that. So, and like I said, only a select few will have access to it. So we need to decide exactly who's going to have access or not. And then we're going to be working together here to eventually be in profit here overall with the market. And it's really, it use any type of market. So it could be indices, Forex, metal, commodities. It works on everything. Okay. So especially let me show you Bitcoin here. So that was gold. So that was perfect. And let me show you Bitcoin. So as you can see, I'm just gonna put it on a 1 hour and show you exactly Bitcoin. So if we put it on the 4 hour time, the 4 hour Renko, you're going to see that if you had the indicator, you would know exactly when to get in the market. And I'm just going to remove the buy and sell setups here, so it's not going to confuse you. And you have the option to remove the signals or not, and only use the switches, so the buy and sell switches. And as you can see, it switched green here on Wednesday, the 6th. Okay. See, on the 6th, you would have known that the market would have gone up, and as you could see, you would be in that trade here if you're holding Bitcoin from this point, the 6th, until now. And right now, there's no indication that it's going down. So as long as you don't see a SR higher time frame switching red, that means that the market is still pushing, and you would have hold on to that trade here since Wednesday, the 6th. All right, perfect. So that being said, guys, we're gonna close it out right now. So I wish you guys a wonderful day. And we'll be back on tomorrow at the same time. So once again, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my videos, you could look, and if you're looking at the replay, make sure to look at previous video here. There's a few videos few lives that are short, few lives that are long. Sometimes I'm talking to someone else because I'm talking to my Discord group at the same time. So, and unfortunately, you're not able to hear them because it's a private group. But basically, the reason why I'm doing the live here is really for my own journaling to see exactly the growth of the indicator and what I did here since the last few months. And like I said a few months ago, I was not able to see 100%. So it's really a miracle here that I'm able to see something in my eye. Unfortunately, my left eye here is still recovering, and we're trying to find a solution here on that eye. But Right now, I'm only looking from seeing from one eye here uh, properly. Okay. And I'm really here to help you guys to succeed, and with the indicator, it will really help you out overall. All right. So that being said, here, guys, I wish you a wonderful day, and we'll be back here tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Peace.